My dear students, welcome to my class in income tax, particularly income tax examination preparation. My dear students, there are 5 units. In unit number 1, we have to concentrate on some theory questions like who is a person and what is a previous year, my dear students. Other than this, in this particular unit, we are going to get questions like agriculture income. As you know, my dear students, in India income from agriculture is exempted from income tax. Then residential status, section 6, I think, rules, primary rules and secondary rules are there. Means staying in India for 182 days calculation will be there, na? So those kind of problem is expected definitely. Other than this, in unit number 1, which is a lengthy, I am saying, there is a possibility of getting this question like differences between direct and indirect taxes. My dear students, there is not much more important for depreciation, but there is a possibility of getting one short questions on what is the meaning of depreciation. Okay, once it was a lengthy unit, now it has been simplified. My dear students, in this particular video class, I am showing what are the important questions for examination preparation. This is like indexed cost of acquisition. Why? Because for every year there are some index numbers are there. So we need to express the value of asset in present value. And my dear students, this shows what is a previous year, my dear students. As I said, this is an important question which you are going to get. Determination of previous year in case of individual, HUF and company likewise, my dear students. Then coming to the point of residential status of individual person, HUF, not that much important HUF and all, but most of the cases residential status of individual person may be given. See the problems, my dear students, which is very important. And exempted incomes are also there, that also you need to concentrate, my dear students. See, take screenshots of whatever notes which I am sending today and prepare this. Why? Because these are the repeatedly asked questions in particular universities like Usmania University and other Telangana universities. And in case of income from salaries, this time we are expecting a theory question on allowances, and particularly allowances together with perquisites will be there. HRA will be there, now my dear students. House rent allowance. These are looking very, very, very important. So that I am showing you some slides regarding this. You prepare well, my dear students. There are very good and repeated books like Himalaya is also there, which is a very wonderful book, my dear students. A lot of theory and explanation is there, and perquisites is there. See, my dear students, these are all important theory question. Perquisites. This time we are expecting perquisites for a long answer question actually. Income from salaries, anyhow they have to give the question. My dear students, as I said, previous year is important and all you are seeing this. And coming to the unit number 4, I think income from business and profession. My dear students, there is a possibility of getting 2 questions, problems only you may get, my dear students. Like income from profession, we are expecting chartered accountant or a doctor. Chartered accountant or a doctor. Anyhow, my dear students, professional receipts minus professional payments. After that, income from other sources will be there now, like interest income, interest on tax refunds, family pensions and dividend incomes. Likewise, there are some kinds of securities are there, tax-free securities and all. Other than this, in that particular unit only, there is like capital gains, long-term capital gains and short-term capital gains. Likewise, other than this, you just prepare some kind of bond washing transactions, means selling the securities before the interest rate, interest is paid by the company. Likewise, see, my dear students, in this particular class, what I want to say is these are the important questions for examination purpose. Take screenshot and prepare well, my dear students. Income tax is such a paper where you need to understand, then you start writing. Give some time for writing that, not in a hurry to complete early and go from the examination hall. Sit for 3 hours, think and express whatever, and minimize the strikeouts. కొట్టివేతలు అనేవి ఎక్కువ ఉండకూడదమ్మా, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఇలా అవసరమైన చోట చార్ట్ యూజ్ చేయండి అమ్మ, ద సోర్సెస్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్కమ్ అనమాట. వెన్ యూ యూజ్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ చార్ట్స్ యూ విల్ స్కోర్ మోర్. ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్.